Today I will show how to create a Shopify partner account. So I go to Chrome browser. I search the search bar Shopify partner account. Enter and go to Shopify website and click sign up button, and I select sign up with email. Enter your email and select first name, last name. I check this email. Okay, alright, and enter password. You give a strong password. Rewrite the password and create Shopify account. Just wait. Create and set up new partner organization. File theme for the Shopify theme store. I select this first, Bangladesh, next, and business name, PD store, job title, address, optional city, zip code, optional phone number, I have read and agree with. No thanks. I go to my email box. Shopify partner account and verify email.